Hello dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video we are going to see exercise 1.1 of complex numbers. In exercise 1.1 first two questions we did in the previous video, and then after that question number 3 to question number 4 we did in the previous video, and now in this video we are going to start with question number 5. तो इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. शो दैट -1 plus √3i raised to power 3, that is q, is a real number. So this is what real number, that means there is no imaginary part. So here we expand this -1 plus √3i raised to power 3. So you know cube of a plus b, that is a plus b cube is equal to what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So we expand this. So expansion of this will be here -1 cube. So -1 cube, then plus 3 into a square. A square is -1 square √3i plus 3 into a is -1 √3i square, and plus b cube. B cube means what? √3i cube. So what we did here, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus what? B cube. Further we solve, it is equal to -1, this is 1, and 3 plus it is 3 √3i minus 3 √3 square, that is √3i square. √3i square will be 3i square, so 3i square, then plus √3 cube, that is 3 √3, and I cube. We know I cube is equal to I square is -1, I cube is equal to -i. So therefore this is what? I cube is equal to -i, I square is -1. So this will be -1 plus 3 √3i minus I square is -1, so it will be plus, so which is 9. 3 into 3 9, and this I square is -1, so minus and minus it will be plus 3 √3 I cube. I cube is -i, so it is -i. Now this 3 √3i and minus 3 √3i will get cancelled, and 9 minus 1 will give us 8. So it is purely real number. So this 8 is what? Purely real number. So this is we have shown is what? Real. So it is equal to what? 8, and that is a purely real number. So the next question is 6th question. 3 plus 2 upon I raised to power 6, I raised to power 7, 1 plus I raised to power 11. So remember I square is -1. 1 upon I is equal to, here if we multiply I to numerator and denominator, so this is what? I square -1, and it will be equal to I upon -1, which is -i. So 1 upon I is equal to what? -i. So 1 upon I is equal to -i. So we use here 1 upon I is equal to -i. यहाँ पे हम 3 plus 2 upon I. 2 upon I is -i. So -2i. Then this is I raised to power 6. So I raised to power 6 is I square cube. Or first we simplify it. I square I raised to power 6 is equal to I square and raised to power 3. I square is -1, so it is minus of 1 cube, which is -1. I raised to power 7 we will write as I raised to power 6 into I, but I raised to power 6 is minus 1, so which is minus I. I raised to power 11 is there, so I raised to power 11 is I raised to power 10 into I. Now I raised to power 10 we write I square raised to power 5 and into I square is minus 1, so this is equal to minus 1 raised to power 5 into I. So minus 1 raised to power odd power is minus, so it is minus I, and we substitute this, so this is equal to 2 upon I will be 2 upon I, that is 1 upon I is minus 1 upon I is equal to minus I, so therefore it is minus 2I. 1 upon I is minus I, we will multiply by I, so this is I square minus 1 and this is I, so it is minus I. And I raised to power 6, I raised to power 6 is minus 1, I raised to power 7 is minus I, and this minus and minus it will be plus I. 1 plus I raised to power 11 is minus I, so it is minus I raised to power 11. Then we solve it, multiply it. This multiplication will be 3. So if we take minus sign common from here, इसमें से हम minus sign common लेते हैं, so that will be minus of 3 minus 2I, and this is 1 minus I and again 1 minus I, so which is minus 3 plus 2I, and this is 1 minus I whole square. 1 minus I whole square will be 1 minus 2I plus I square, that is square of 1 minus I, and this will be I square is minus 1, so again here I square is minus 1, so which is minus 3 plus 2I, 1 minus 2I and this minus 1, 1 minus 2I and this minus 1, so this is getting cancelled and it is 2I. Minus 2I we will multiply here, so minus 2I into minus 3, that is 6I, minus 2I into this minus 4I square, so minus I square is plus 1, that is 6I plus minus I square is plus 1, so this is 4, so it is 4 plus 6I, so we find this is equal to 4 plus 6I, so 4 plus 6I. Question number 7, I raised to power 116 we evaluate. So I raised to power 116, so if I raised to power 4, see I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I, and I raised to power 4 is equal to what? 1. That is I raised to power 4 means I square into I square, which is minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to plus 1. So remember I raised to power 4 क्या है? That is 1. अब if I raised to power multiple of 4 कोई कुछ भी हो तो that is equal to 1. Suppose I raised to power 20, it is multiple of 4. I raised to power 24, it is multiple of 4, and that will be equals to what? 1. This in general I raised to power 4n, where n is any integer, then it is equal to what? 1. So here I raised to power 116. So this will I raised to power 4 and whole raised to power, it is 29. So I raised to power, see I raised to power 116. So 116 is 4 into 29. So it is I raised to power 4 is 1. So 1 raised to power 29 is 1. So it is 1. So what is value of this? It is 1. Now this I raised to power 93. So this is what, if it is divisible by 4? No. So it is not divisible by 4, but 93 we can write as 4 into 20. See, it is 23. So 4 into 23, that is 92, and it is I raised to power, this is what, 92, and into I raised to power 1, that is I raised to power 93. So this 92 means what? 4 into 23, 12, and this is 8, 9. So it is I raised to power 92 into I. But I raised to power 92 will write as I raised to power 4 and whole raised to power 23 and into I. But I raised to power 4 means it is 1. I raised to power 4 is 1 and raised to power whatever, or I raised to power 4 into 23. So that is equal to 1. So in general, I raised to power 4n is equal to 1. So this is 1 and into I. So value of this is equal to what? I. Now this is 58, 1 upon I raised to power 58. So that we write as I raised to power 56 into 1 upon I square. So 56, that is 1 upon I raised to power 4 and 14, and 1 upon I square is minus 1, so into 1 upon minus 1. So this gives 1, I raised to power 4 is 1, and this is what, 1 upon minus 1. So our answer will be what? Minus 1. Now we evaluate this. इसमें 4 मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 ये है 40, मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 60 भी है. So that will write as, this is what, I square, ये हम अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. I raised to power 30 will write I square and raised to power 15 plus I raised to power 4 raised to power 10, फिर ये I square and raised to power 25 and I raised to power plus I raised to power 4 and raised to power 15. 4 into 15. Now this I raised to power 4 is 1, ये 1 है, 1 raised to power 10, 1 raised to power 15 is 1, and I square is minus 1, so ये minus 1 होगा, raised to power 15, ये plus 1, ये minus 1 raised to power 25 और ये plus 1. Minus 1 raised to power odd है तो minus, ये 1 plus 1 will be 2, and this is minus 1, this is minus 1, so this comes out to be 0. ये minus 1 होगा, ये minus 1, that is minus 2, और ये 1 plus 1 will be 2, so it is 0. Question number 9, I raised to power 49, I raised to power 68, I raised to power 89, I raised to power 110. We find value of this. You know, when I raised to power multiple of 4 है, तो that is equal to 1. 49 को हम 48 into I raised to power 48 and into I raised to power, or 49 will write as 48 plus 1 is 68. It is a multiple of 4. 68 is multiple of 4. Then this is what, I raised to power 89 will write as 88 and plus 1. I raised to power 110, that will write as 108 plus 2. So it is I raised to power 48 into I plus I raised to power 68. 68 is 4 into, so 4 into 17 plus I raised to power 88 into I, that is 89, plus I raised to power 108 into I raised to power 2. So I raised to power 110 will write 108 and I raised to power 2. That is, this will be what, multiple of 4. This is multiple of 4. And this is also multiple of 4. This is what, 18 into 4. see 100 and this is r raised to power 4 and raised to power, it is 12 into I plus I raised to power 4 and raised to power 17 plus I raised to power 88. 88 will write 4 and raised to power 22. I raised to power 4 and raised to power 22 into I, and plus I raised to power 4 and raised to power 27 and into I square. This is what 28, 8 and this 2, so it is 27 into 4 raised to power 27 into 4 and I square. Here I raised to power 4 is 1, so therefore it is 1 and into I. I raised to power 4 is 1, so it is 1. Yeah, I raised to power 4 1 है और into I, so it is plus I. And this I raised to power, this is what plus I, and I raised to power 4 and raised to power 27, which is 1. 1 in I square. I square is what? I will write at I square. This is what? 2I, 1, and this is I square is what? Minus 1. So we are getting its value is equal to what? 2I. We are getting its value is equal to 2I. अभी इसमें consecutive powers है I raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive powers है 1, 2, 3, 4, तो इसका वैल्यू आएगा 0 because I raised to power 4 is 1, I raised to power 2 is minus 1, so ये 1 और ये minus 1 cancel 0, I cube is what? Minus I and plus I, this is getting cancelled with this, इसका आंसर आएगा 0. Remember consecutive powers है और 4 terms है, so that will reduce to 0. For example 50, 51, I raised to power 50, I raised to power 51, I raised to power 52, I raised to power 53, that will be equal to 0. So here this we attempt, it is equal to I plus I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I, and I raised to power 4 is 1. So plus I and minus I, plus 1 and minus 1 is getting cancelled and 0. So answer of this is equal to 0. And answer of this is equal to what? 2I. Simplify I raised to power 592, 590, 588, 586, 584. हर एक पावर में 2 का डिफरेंस है. दिस इज व्हाट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, यहाँ से यहाँ पर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, और यहाँ पे 2, 8, 584, 586, 588, 590, 592, मतलब 2 का डिफरेंस है. सो यहाँ पे भी 2 से वो असेंडिंग हो रहा है. सो व्हाट वी टेक, वी कैन टेक मिनिमम पावर जो है I raised to power 584, ये मिनिमम पावर है. सो वी विल टेक दिस टर्म कॉमन फ्रॉम ईच टर्म. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में सेम है 574, 576, 578, 580, 582, मतलब 2 का डिफरेंस है. सो I raised to power 574 is the minimum, so that power we take common. This term will take common I raised to power 584 from the numerator. Then there are total 5 terms. So first term is this, we have taken common, it is 1. यहाँ पे raised to power 2 आएगा, I raised to power 2, because I raised to power 584 into I raised to power 2 is 5, I raised to power 586, plus यहाँ पे 4 आएगा, I raised to power 4, यहाँ पे I raised to power 6 आएगा, फिर यहाँ पे the last term will be I raised to power 8 आएगा. I raised to power 8 into I raised to power 584, that is I raised to power 92. Similarly in the denominator ये lowest power है, that is I raised to power 576, 574 we take common, after taking common this lowest term is this 1, that is this lowest power I raised to power 574, that whole term we are taken common, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 1 प्लस हर एक पावर में डिफरेंस है 2 का, सो आफ्टर टेकिंग दिस कॉमन यहाँ पे रहेगा आई स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे रहेगा आई टू द पावर 4 प्लस आई टू द पावर 6 प्लस आई टू द पावर 8. देयर आर इन ऑल 5 टर्म्स, यहाँ पे 5 टर्म्स है. So you are getting the same numerator and denominator, so this will get cancelled. What is left over here? क्या बचता है? 584. I raised to power 584 upon I raised to power 574. 584 और 574. A raised to power m upon A raised to power m. A raised to power m minus n. मतलब I raised to power 584 minus 574. which is 10. I raised to power 10 क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? I square raised to power 5. But I square is minus 1 raised to power odd. So that will be equal to what? Minus 1 raised to power odd. I square is minus 1 raised to power odd. That is equal to minus 1. That means value of this is equal to minus 1. So we simplify this. Taking I raised to power 584 common from numerator, I raised to power 574 common from denominator, and we'll get minus 1. Dear students, इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से लेके क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तक सिंप्लीफाई किया है, इसको एक्सप्लेन किया है. सो होप यू अंडरस्टूड. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.